Hey guys, we're back again with a Harley update and I guess just an overall channel update. So, first of all, like we said last time, Thunderbird, last time I left it was out in the field over there a little bit. I then moved it. It's sitting right here now. But anyway, the main point of this video, Harley update. So, got a call today from my insurance adjuster. They fully tore everything apart. Found out that, thankfully, my frame wasn't bent. What's called the triple tree wasn't bent. Only my forks need rebuilt because the seals and the fluid inside got damaged. So then they replaced the fender. They won't replace, I don't know if I showed you guys, there's a scuff on the part of my fairing. It's hard to see because I have dark blue paint. They're not covering that. They will cover to replace highway pegs because there's scratches there, fenders, and the rebuild kit, and then all of the labor. So I have a $1,000 deductible, which now after an incident I'm realizing is a horrible idea because I don't have $1,000 right now. I have to, which is part of this video. But so fender, all that, they have work in. But one thing that sucks is insurance for highway pegs. They found the Harley equivalent of highway pegs. Any of you who've seen my bike know I have the highway pegs that come, and I'll try to put a picture in here. They're called frame mounted, so they come out from under the floorboards. Well, those are special. They're 0.3D. They are like about $250. Well, the highway pegs they're giving me are crash bar mounted, only $144. So there's that gap difference, but I'm able to keep the other highway pegs if I want. We're talking to the insurance guy. He said, or not insurance, to my guy at the dealership. He said it just scratches. And the only way people notice them is if I have the pegs flipped up, which currently they don't flip up. And plus anyway, I plan to get new pegs anyway. So you're probably not going to do that. But then what I also did is I'll also show another picture. While they have them in the shop, I'm going to get 16-inch Dominator meat hook handlebars installed. Yes, ape hangers for some people. I don't know. But it don't look like ape hangers on me because I'm tall. Also, I'm getting heated grips because any of you who know me more personally, you know I ride year-round. If it's going to be at least 50 degrees, bam, I'm riding. Well, the issue with riding in the colder weather is your hands get cold really fast because I don't have winter gloves. And then you can barely move your hands, barely pull the clutch. All that can end very badly. So heated grips for those times. That way I don't have to change my gloves and have separate gloves. So with all that, but I still have to pay full labor because fork rebuilds doesn't account for taking off handlebars. And then of course I'm having them do my 5,000K oil change that I was supposed to do before the accident. So, that being said, my bill is up to like over $3,000 right now that I owe personally because of the deductible. So, like I said, I've got the Thunderbird right here sitting. The only other work I can really do to it is I can put the original oil pump back in, or fuel pump back in, and fix the tires because I'm getting tires for free. Or I already paid for tires. But other than that, there's going to be a stop on the Thunderbird for a while, probably until I get the car back. And there probably won't be very many videos until I get the bike back. Because right now my focus is saving up lots of money doing extra jobs to be able to pay that deductible and put as little money as possible on my Harley credit card. Because that makes bad habits. So right now I've only got $270 to my name. It is the 10th of July and I already spent my budget So in my budget, I have $500 of shopping stuff to do. So like when I buy parts for either of my Fords, that counts as shopping because it's not a necessity. And then I have a $500 budget for auto and transportation, which counts for gas and parts I need. Well, the Dodge right there needs a new transmission cooler, which counts as auto and transportation because I do need that for work. That'll help me make more money with scrapping and all that. So I have that on the way, which I might make a video doing that. And then when I help out Landon, or that. If you guys have any other ideas of stuff you would like to see me do, whether you want to see me scrapping, which isn't that cool, if you want to see me change tires on the Thunderbird, whatever, just let me know, guys. Comment down below. But there is a good possibility that I have my baby bike, my baby girl, my bike back end of July, potentially, depending on how long it takes for the rebuild kit to get in. But like I said, I'm gonna start doing jobs and all that. But unfortunately, this is the end of the videos for now for this thing. Like I said, I'm just gonna, I'll run a new, oh shoot. I'll put the new pump in, do a new oil change. That's about it, because I don't have money for anything else right now. So, and then I'll show you, if you guys don't know what a transmission cooler is, I'll show you what I got to replace, and I have it on order. Replace it, that way I can start hauling with this thing again. One thing I might have to switch out too, I haven't looked at it, is my overdrive switch too. That potentially is bad. It needs replaced too. But it's not important right now. But those are like $10, so that's something I can easily do. Now, this right here is a transmission cooler. So this is leaking. As you can see, we got these aftermarket fans. Sorry, wind's probably really bad. And this cluster of wiring, which I'm going to try to figure out. I think, so I know this is a ground, so one's a ground. Isn't a big deal. The ground runs into those two. And then I'm pretty sure this one, if I follow it, which I lost it, but I think this one runs back into the back of the alternator. Meaning, when the alternator is producing power, those fans are on, which is a easier way than running it into the ignition system. But I don't know, I gotta figure it out, because this one fan does not work like it's supposed to. Fix that, try it, maybe put it up better. So, yeah, sorry guys if I bum you out. Also, F100 I think has an issue with not the thermostat, whatever tells the temperature gauge it's hot. That might be the thermostat, but it's not, I don't think. But that's all I can really do for now. Unless I get some cheap, not even cheap, unless I have free fixes of ways to fix this. Like for example, Landon has some sheet metal that we can weld in for that floor if I really wanted to. But that's all I can do for right now, guys. Because like I said, I need to get going on getting money for the Harley and getting the Harley back. So, like I said, let me know what you want to see me do. But I'll see you guys later.